To start today's subject, we have to see why organic farming is the need of the day and how can we do it. Basically, today's farming technique started with the Green Revolution. Today, the expected farming process is such that chemical and to be made organic. The cause or the necessity of organic farming is due to the adverse effect of chemical toxic ingredients disturbing the natural cycle, leading to downfall of the environmental balance.
So my school selected this topic because I feel it is very much essential to understand in this generation the importance of organic farming. We have only one earth to live in. If it is damaged or destroyed, it will be difficult for us to live. You should always remember, nature provides the resources for man's need, not for his greed.
As a part of this project, we visited strawberry farms of Mr. Sangram Chauhan in Nigwe, Kolhapur district. He shared his experiences with us. We gathered the details of the cultivation. We also asked questions related to organic farming. Later we observed plucking and packing of strawberries and also asked about transportation.
Strawberries, these are daughters. We have placed an order of mother plant from Mahabaleshwar. We have produced daughters.
Then we saw intercropping and mixed cropping and also understood the importance of it. We saw methods of water conservation, that is modern irrigation like drip irrigation was seen and understood. Methods of removing weeds, that is weeding, was observed. Then we understood what are the ill effects of weeds and how it can be controlled without chemicals.
Then we saw intercropping and mixed cropping and also understood the importance of it. Methods of water conservation, that is modern irrigation like drip irrigation, was seen and understood. Methods of removing weeds, that is weeding, was observed. Then we understood what are the ill effects of weeds and how it can be controlled without chemicals.
Here, they understood how humus helps to retain moisture for a long time and enhances the fertility of the soil.
We visited the Government Agricultural College in Kolhapur. Dr. Marathe, Dr. Khoth along with their colleagues introduced and briefed us about organic farming and status of organic farming in India. Details of organic, that is, only by using organic manure, it cannot be called as organic agriculture, but we have to reduce other chemicals also. We visited various departments in Agricultural College. We understood the soil profile and soil distribution in Maharashtra.
In Agricultural College, they understood the soil profile and soil distribution in Maharashtra.
Laboratory we have seen in the we can analyze different parameters like physical, chemical parameters, and to maintain the soil health nowadays is very important. So by putting the nutrient, providing the nutrient in balanced form required more than 16 essential elements, and we can maintain the soil health which will sustain our crop production.
So soil is the basic requirement for agriculture. Maintaining the soil health is the prime important. Now, some years back, we go for green revolution, mainly to fulfill the food requirement of growing population. At the same time, we go after chemical fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides, and other chemicals like weedicides. But we neglect the organic carbon or organic matter present in the soil. Now, organic carbon or organic matter, or in terms humus, is the soul of the soil. For sustainable agriculture, organic carbon or maintenance of organic matter in the soil is main or prime important. Now, in our country, which comes under tropical and subtropical climatic condition, I know that it is very difficult to maintain organic matter or organic carbon in this soil. By application, organic manures, compost, vermicompost, or following green manuring crops, we can maintain to certain extent the organic matter in the soil.
To support the concept of organic farming, many visits were made and detailed information was gathered by us. Interviews, interaction helped us to clear the concept. We visited Green Earth Biotech. It is an NGO working for promotion of organic farming. They also conduct workshops for popularization of organic, manure, pesticides and many more.
Welcome to our terrace garden. The farm which we have created here is purely organic. Let us have a visit to it.
This is lady's finger. We have grown it in pots. You can see that it has grown well.
This is coriander which has grown very nicely. This is spinach, it's grown healthy.
This is gram, also known as chana, and this is the right season to grow it. This is chili and this is fenugreek. It is a local vegetable and is very common.
This is ambadi, it is a local vegetable.
This is cluster bean, also known as gabar in Marathi.
This is lady's finger, also known as bhendi in Hindi and Marathi.
This is pokala, widely eaten in Kolhapur.
Application of synthetic chemicals leads to the accumulation of heavy metals on the outer layer of vegetables, which gets washed into the soil and water. Plants in turn absorb the contaminated water from the soil. Hence, rinsing the vegetables would never be a solution to minimize the heavy metal concentration on it. The solution to this problem lies in eradicating the use of chemical fertilizers and opting for organic farming, thereby creating awareness in the posterity.